Okay, see, we are quite ready. The silence, which means that want to go. Good. So, good morning, everybody. Really welcome here at EMA. I'm very pleased to open and to give my welcome to this workshop. I think it's a very important one. It's a breakthrough. It's the first worldwide Orphan Medicinal Designation workshop. This brings together three major parts of the world. Three parts of the world share the commitment and have a legislation to develop and foster the development of medicine for rare diseases. So basically the FDA, the MHLW, PMDA, the Japanese authority, and EMA already have worked together for several years now to encourage the sponsor to consider the parallel submission for orphan medicinal designation. We share certainly commonly laws and willingness to foster this, but still we have maybe some not identical approaches. That's why it's so important to start to work together, to measure each other approach and to see how we can really make it happen in a more simple and lean and less cumbersome way. I also welcome that Canada and Australia are joining us from the two different sides of the planet. And this is amazing that we can be able to do jointly, at least on air, we can stay together in this room virtually. Also, it's very important for us in Europe, especially, that the European Commission is with us today. Both our DG Sanco, which is concerned for the regulation and for the legislative part, and DG Research, covering the all aspects that are needed to make this happen. Just a little snapshot of history. I think EMA have successfully started this in 2008 with FDA, since we had we promoted the very strong and close collaboration, and with PMDA since 2012. And FDA and EMA already held the first joint workshop in 2011 for the orphan designation. So today, I think it's really a breakthrough. I don't want to take more time out of this. What I really think is important, the important outcome from here is that in the second part of the day, there will be a real exercise where the three regulatory agency will try to engage themselves in real cases to see how we can really progress in a joint scientific, in a joint exercise. And I think this doing on the ground, hands-on, is the real way to make it happen. In the presence, as I said, of the Commission, who can see what could be done better, how they can help in the interpretation, how they can help us in going as fast as you can, as efficient as we can. Thank you very much. I don't want to take more time. Bruno, the floor is yours.
Thank you, Professor Rasi. Good morning, everyone. It is a pleasure to be here with you all and to start this, as Guido just mentioned, this worldwide designation workshop, and it's really worldwide, and that's something that word is something that makes us very proud of, because it can join in the same room and over the air some different areas, and also provide for the first time a joint view of people working for the same outcome in the end, that it's bringing new orphan drugs to the market and for the benefit of our patients. So in the end, as just mentioned, this session today and these sessions today are organized for you to take out of it the best possible that you can. So I have participated in previous sessions and workshops like this one, and I must tell you that it was very enlightening and enriching, and in the end everyone took very good messages home on how to continue their work, and that's our objective, and I do hope that we can also make you feel that at the end of the day. So how we will organize things for today. We'll have the morning plenary split into two parts. First, we will see how the designation process will go through the different areas, and that is why each representative from a different area, regulatory area, will present the designation procedure and the designation system. We will then have time to discuss the post-designation incentive programs. There are, as you know, very important, also driving the research and the development of the drug you wish to bring to the market. And then most importantly also the grants available not only from the FDA but the European Commission and also from NIBIO from Japan in order to provide better and more and to foster research in rare diseases, in medicines for rare diseases. In the afternoon, as Professor Rasi just mentioned, we will have the part that is perhaps the most hands-on and interesting in terms of having face-to-face contact with people from different regulatory areas and putting your questions, and then you will definitely benefit from it. So this is the plan for today, and I do hope that we have time to make questions and to answer them, of course, and in the end of the day that the afternoon sessions will allow you to go home with no doubts, or at least with a streamlined idea of what you wish, of how you wish to proceed in the future. Having this said, I would like to start then the first plenary session, and I would invite Agnès Mathieu, that it's our European Commission representative working directly with the COMP, to start presenting the Europe legal basis for the designation of procedures. Thank you very much.